Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I'll show you how to set up uploading deals from ActiveCampaing to Trello. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from ActiveCampaing to other systems. For example, in Trello you can create cards based on new deals from ActiveCampaing, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the ActiveCampaing data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new deals, select Get Deals New. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaing account to the ApiX-Drive system. Next, you need to enter the values, where the API domain is the URL of your ActiveCampaing account, and the API key is the key in ActiveCampaing. Go to your account settings. After that, go to the Developer tab. Copy your URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in your ApiX-Drive account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. At this point, the configuration of the ActiveCampaing data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Trello as the system. Next, you need to specify the action Create Card. Now you need to connect your Trello account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your Trello account email and password. Next, grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Trello account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Now select a board and a list that will include all new deals. Next, you see the Trello fields for creating a new card. You can assign variables to these fields from ActiveCampaing. To add a variable, click in the field and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. To move to the next line, use Enter. When all the required data is assigned to the fields, click Continue. Now you see an example of the data that will be sent to Trello as a new card when a new deal comes from ActiveCampaign. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Trello. After a successful submission, go to Trello to check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the configuration of receiving data in Trello has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.